Some people enjoy being alone, not because they're isolated, not because they're rejected, but because they feel complete in their own presence. Most people confuse this with loneliness. Psychology tells a very different story. Loneliness is the absence of connection. Solitude is the presence of self. People who enjoy being alone don't lack relationships. They simply don't rely on constant interaction to feel grounded. Psychologically, their sense of connection is internal, not dependent. Social interaction creates stimulation. For some people, it energizes. For others, it drains. People who enjoy solitude are often highly sensitive to mental and emotional input. Their nervous systems reset in quiet. Being alone isn't withdrawal, it's regulation. People comfortable with solitude usually have rich internal lives. They think, they reflect, they imagine. This inner engagement replaces the need for constant external noise. Silence doesn't feel empty to them, it feels full. Modern culture equates visibility with health. Being alone is often seen as sad, antisocial, unfulfilled. But psychology shows that solitude can strengthen self-awareness, emotional balance, creativity. The discomfort others feel often comes from projecting their own fear of being alone. People who enjoy being alone don't seek constant reassurance. They're comfortable with their thoughts, their emotions, their identity. This independence makes relationships healthier, not weaker. They choose connection. They don't cling to it. Enjoying solitude doesn't mean you're lonely. It means your sense of connection doesn't disappear in silence. In a noisy world, being comfortable alone is a quiet form of strength.